There are actually many ways to learn how to draw a cube. Some are good for older students and involve drawing and erasing, but I like this one for younger elementary ones. It's just drawing the front and then the sides and then the back. Easy peasy, and it looks like a cube right away. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. Here are the supplies I'm going to use to make this drawing. Just a pencil, black marker, drawing paper, and some crayons. You can also find a link to a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. If you've been here before, you know I like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper, but you can also just fold your paper in half in both directions to make some creased lines to follow. Step number 1, we're going to begin by drawing a vertical line on the left side of the paper, just like this. Then a bottom edge gets added, and it does angle down a bit to the right. Step number 2, add another vertical line here that is the same size and height as the first one. Step number 3, now connect to the top points of these two lines. Step number 4, to begin the sides we're going to draw a bottom right line which does angle up a bit like this. Step number 5, add another line above it that also angles up a little bit. Step number 6, draw the remaining side line like this and try to make it the same length as the other two. Step number 7, now all we have to do is connect to those back points with a horizontal and vertical line like this. Step number 8, I'm going to make my cube look like it's sitting on a table or something, so I just need to add lines for that. Step number 9, well, the cube drawing is all done, so it's time to trace those lines carefully with a good black marker. When I'm done tracing, I like to get an eraser and get rid of any pencil lines that are still showing. Now for the coloring. I'm going to pretend there's light coming from the left side, so I'm going to fill in that right side of the cube as dark as I can with my purple crayon. The top of the cube is getting the most light, so use your crayon to fill it in as lightly as you can, but still make it show up. That remaining side is getting some light, so it needs to be a shade between the dark and the light. It should be a little lighter than the dark side and a little darker than the light side. My table is going to be a dark blue, so my cube really shows up. And my wall is going to be a bluish green, but feel free to use whatever colors you want. And there is my finished cube drawing. I really like how the lines turned into a square shape, which turned into a cube form, and then the different values of color added some shading too. That's using 4 of the elements of art right there. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more perspective lessons like working with a city and a boardwalk too. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Thank you for joining me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you get notified as soon as I post a new video.